Welcome to Incredible Home Invention. Join us on a journey into the future of living as we explore groundbreaking inventions transforming our homes. From smart technologies that enhance convenience to eco-friendly designs revolutionizing sustainability, we're uncovering the most innovative home solutions. Discover how these inventions are reshaping architecture, interior design, and everyday living experiences. Get ready to be inspired by the creativity and ingenuity that are building the homes of tomorrow. ReTreet. Imagine constructing your own home as effortlessly and enjoyably as building with Legos. That's precisely what EcoShelter promises. While it may sound like a tall tale, the truth isn't far off. The company's dome structures truly come together swiftly and with ease. In their promotional video, a single person assembles a 366 square foot aluminum frame in just 7 hours. No tools required. While assembly times can vary depending on the model, with some domes offering up to 700 square feet of space, the entire process will never take more than a day. That's significantly faster than many other housing options on the market. But speed isn't the only advantage. These shelters are designed to withstand all kinds of weather, providing a sturdy and safe dwelling for users. Whether you need a temporary structure or a permanent home, EcoShelter ensures that you're protected from the elements, all while enjoying the simplicity of its assembly process. StoreMax, the ultimate backyard storage solution. A storage box like the StoreMax is an indispensable addition to any backyard. Its standout feature is its unique opening mechanism. With rolling shutters, users can access the storage by opening either just the top part or the entire front side. This design prioritizes convenience and space saving, accommodating a variety of items with ease. The StoreMax is impressively spacious, with the largest version boasting a capacity of 550 gallons. Whether you need to store trash bins, tools, or even a bike, this storage box has you covered. The contents remain safe from rain, as the unit is naturally waterproof. Additionally, the StoreMax protects against physical damage thanks to its aluminum, roller shutters, and galvanized steel back and side sections. In essence, the StoreMax offers a combination of functionality, durability, and ample storage capacity, making it an essential asset for any outdoor space. Misting system. Instead of rushing indoors to the air conditioning or diving into the pool during a heat wave, consider Mist America's innovative solution, cooling down on your patio with a device that resembles a pendant light. This clever system includes a pipe, a pump, and the pendant-like misting devices. The pump pushes water through the pipe to the suspended devices, which transform the water droplets into a fine mist. As the droplets evaporate, they create a cooling effect. Remarkably, a single device can cool an area of more than 200 square feet. If that's not sufficient, the system can accommodate multiple devices powered by a single pump, effectively expanding the cooling coverage. The cost of the system, including the hanging devices, ranges from $2,495 to $3,495, depending on the version. Enjoy a refreshing outdoor experience with Mist America's misting system and make the most of your patio, even in the hottest weather. Prefab Dome. EPC offers an innovative solution for quick and efficient home assembly with their Prefab Dome. According to EPC, you can assemble a dome house in just 2 hours using their foam polystyrene panels. The building process is straightforward. The panels are methodically connected, gradually forming the dome structure. First, the wall panels are installed, followed by the roof assembly. Once the main structure is in place, everything is additionally secured and extra insulation is added. This ensures that the house is ready for immediate occupancy, thanks to the excellent thermal, vibration, and moisture insulation provided by the panels. If you're concerned that a dome house might look plain or boring, don't worry. These structures can be easily decorated to suit your style. With the Prefab Dome, you can enjoy a comfortable, energy-efficient home that comes together in a fraction of the time compared to traditional building methods. ViVi II. Whether you're in a club, stadium, or even a small room, the ViVi II ensures that the show must go on. This advanced lighting system enhances your music, games, and movies like never before. Spanning over 61 meters, the ViVi II comprises various elements, from LED cables to bulbs and mini lights, creating an immersive visual experience. The system offers separate zones for low, mid, and high frequencies, all controlled via a smartphone-connected music controller. The ViVi II seamlessly integrates with smart home systems like Alexa, allowing for effortless control. Additionally, with support for 12-volt battery power and IP6 dust and water resistance, it's perfect for car tuning or camping adventures. The basic kit is available for $197, providing an affordable yet powerful upgrade to your entertainment setup. With ViVi II, transform any space into a vibrant, dynamic environment that responds to your music and enhances your overall experience. Interactive floor projector. Don't worry, you're not witnessing a flood or watching a lost tape from the Titanic. What you're seeing is an interactive floor projection, an astonishingly realistic, yet safe visual display. This cutting-edge technology decorates a hall in a hotel in China, showcasing its incredible potential for transforming spaces. The system is remarkably simple to set up. All you need is a computer, a camera, and a projector. Once installed, the projector not only displays images onto a surface, but also interacts with people. The appearance of the surface changes dynamically whenever someone is nearby, creating an engaging and immersive experience. The interactive floor projector offers nearly limitless opportunities for room decoration and beyond. From hotels and event spaces to retail environments and homes, this technology adds a unique and captivating element to any setting. Powder watts, smart solutions for snowy roofs. With the Chinese government announcing their ability to create snow across 56% of the country by next year, Powder Watts, an American company, is ready to tackle the challenges of heavy snowfall. They have developed a smart heat cable controller designed to protect roofs and reduce electricity costs by up to 90%. On average, homeowners could save between $100 and $400 each month with this innovative controller. Featuring a dual camera system, it detects snow and activates the heat cables at the optimal time, ensuring your roof stays clean and free from snow accumulation. The controller is powered by a 4 amp-hour battery that lasts up to 6 months and is recharged by a solar panel, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. Best of all, the Powder Watts controller is compatible with existing heat cables, making it a versatile and cost-effective solution for homeowners. MagniSmartech. While we are sleeping in the past, Magnaflex customers are sleeping in the future thanks to their MagniSmartech smart beds. These beds not only offer exceptional comfort, but also provide valuable sleep quality recommendations. MagniSmartech continuously monitors various factors, including your breathing rate, noise levels, and room temperature. Why? Because if you start snoring, for instance, the bed automatically adjusts the mattress position to help stop it. When the alarm goes off, the bed gently lifts the top part and adds a soothing vibration to wake you up smoothly. Impressive, right? But this wonder bed comes at a premium price, about $20,000. With MagniSmartech, experience the future of sleep technology today. Aquarium in the interior. Have you ever considered that an aquarium isn't just a fish's home, but also a stunning way to enhance a room's decor? With advancements in technology, modern designers now offer aquariums in various designs that seamlessly integrate into any interior. Imagine using an aquarium not just as a standalone feature, but as a creative element within your home. For instance, you can install an aquarium as a unique handrail along a staircase. This innovative approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also brings a touch of tranquility and natural beauty into your daily surroundings. Whether you choose to separate rooms with an aquarium or incorporate it into unexpected places like a staircase, these designs create a harmonious blend of nature and modern living, transforming your home into a truly unique environment. Otto Lawn Care. Say goodbye to manual watering hassles with Otto, where lawn care meets automation. Simply plug in the auto unit, connect the hoses, and define your watering zones. Then sit back and relax as the future of lawn care unfolds before your eyes. Otto efficiently directs water, even in oddly shaped areas, using its weather-savvy technology to prevent overwatering or dry patches. Its zigzag watering pattern ensures even coverage across your lawn. Each unit covers 260 square meters and is priced at $470. But that's not all. OTO offers more than just watering solutions. The company provides liquid fertilizers, insect repellents, and odor management solutions that seamlessly integrate with the auto unit. Just load them in when you're ready to go. Transform your lawn care routine with Otto. Smart, efficient, and designed to keep your lawn healthy and vibrant with minimal effort. LUBA II. Imagine stepping out to a lush lawn after a good watering. Time for a trim with the LUBA II, the revolutionary smart mower you've been waiting for. Priced at $3,000, the LUBA II AWD 5000 model effortlessly gets your lawn in shape without breaking a sweat. Setting up the LUBA II is a breeze, taking just 18 minutes, 10 times faster than its rivals. This device is the real deal, capable of covering half a hectare and handling slopes of up to 38 degrees. Equipped with advanced features, the LUBA II remembers up to 30 work zones, navigates around obstacles, and responds to voice commands via Alexa and Google Home. It's the ultimate blend of cutting-edge technology and efficient lawn care. The only drawback? It won't brew your coffee yet, but who knows what the next versions might bring. QuietCool is synonymous with effective ventilation, renowned for potentially slashing air conditioning costs by up to 90%. Their solutions are so versatile that they can be installed on tiled roofs and even powered by solar panels, offering sustainable cooling solutions for any space. Whether you're looking to cool down a single room or your entire house, QuietCool has you covered. In poorly ventilated attics, temperatures can soar up to 66 degrees, but QuietCool systems can lower temperatures by approximately 7 degrees, creating a more comfortable environment. What sets QuietCool apart is their ability to move air rapidly, delivering noticeable cooling effects within seconds of activation. Experience the difference in air quality and comfort with QuietCool, efficient, effective, and designed to enhance your living space.